Hi, I'm Annie McGrath and this is Majura House.
My name is McGrath-Webers. Majura Valley Free Range Eggs is the key business here, and it's the oldest continued working farm here in the ACT. In 2013, we won the Innovation in Sustainable Farming Practices Award from Landcare, and that was a bit of a team effort.
It was just based on the whole way that we've really improved the farm by using the chickens to rotate around and improve the soils.
Planting a lot of tree lines with support of Landcare and Green Australia, which has increased a lot of our bird life here. I think we've got 70 odd different species of birds here. But the key to that award was around our mobile shed designs, and that was an innovation that Mum and Dad came up with.
He was just so super intelligent. Often, if I had an idea or we had an idea together, you had to actually make it Nick's idea. And then when it became his idea, he didn't give up. He researched it, he spoke with people.
That award was well deserved, and Dad has continued to innovate, and I guess he always was at the forefront in terms of what he did too around getting recognition for more of a pastured, raised egg. I am the recipient of the 2020 ACT Young Environmentalist of the Year, awarded by the Conservation Council in the ACT. So I'm completely honoured to be awarded that, and it's quite easy to work on the back of all the hard work that my mum and dad have done, and brother and sister and everyone else who gives a hand around the farm. I'd like to continue the legacy that Dad built on and Mum, and leave something not just for our family but for the whole community. We do more than just free-range eggs. We have a mixed farming approach where we're integrating the lambs and the cropping into what we do. So we have more of a holistic approach to what we do here on the farm, and we're looking to grow that further with a sheep milk dairy and also a farm shop and a bit more of a permanent structure down our farm gate.
What I'm packing here would be your perfect tray of cafe eggs.
As the chook sheds move around the paddocks, they increase the soil fertility.
So this is a paddock of ryegrass, and this was planted back in April after the chickens had been through here about a year ago. The manure was worked into the soil, and the soil tests indicate...
We've also developed our own Landcare group in the Majura Valley. We continue to push the agenda of the Landcare group to make the Majura Valley a tourism and agricultural hub. It's our vision that the Majura Valley becomes a real public asset and becomes integral for bush capital. As we call it, the Majura Valley gateway to the bush capital.